am and I'm scared to death. My darkest side has come alive. Can I the hell I live in every day? You say it's just a phase, I'll be okay. What you can't feel must not be real. I wear my heart here on my sleeve, but you can't say no one sees. This is killing me. I can barely breathe. No one knows what's inside of me. Still I can't too late to fit in. Don't you dare pretend you know what it's like. Watch the world outside while you're buried alive. 6 feet under, still no one can hear my cry for help falling on deaf ears. So desperate for your attention, whore. Tell me why anyone would pretend and choose a life they would want to end and ever feed this anxiety. And all of a sudden everything seems fine. Yeah, but in my skin I'm running out of time. This is killing me. I can barely breathe. No one knows what's inside of me. Still I can't too late to fit in. Don't you dare pretend you know what it's like. Watch the world outside while you're buried alive. Faceless, I've been paralyzed. I won't be silent one more day. Come too far to say I'm sorry. I will live to tell my story. This is killing me. I can barely breathe. No one knows. No one knows. Too late to fit in. Don't you dare pretend you know what it's like. Watch the world outside while you're buried alive. This is killing me. I can barely breathe. No one knows. No one knows me. Towards the world outside while you're buried alive. Towards the world outside while you're buried alive.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, when I could find my way even when I'm facing down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and die. Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try